Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how I made this yummy okra soup, low budget okra soup. It's super healthy and delicious. Okra soup is a very cheap food to make, especially if you are living in Africa. You can easily get okra from the garden. Very yummy. You can eat it with ebas, any kind of swallow of your choice. So let's begin. In a pot, I added cow skin, I added stockfish, smoked fish. Remember, it's low budget, of course. These are cheap ingredients, pepper paste. I went on to add some seasoning cubes and crayfish. In fact, generous amount of crayfish. This soup rather, needs a lot of crayfish to get that local taste. You know what I'm talking about. So you cover it and allow it to cook. So while it's cooking, I've chopped my okra like this. I chopped it this size because I'm still going to use blender to crush it down. But if you don't have blender, you can chop it tiny with knife, or if you have a grater, you can also use a grater to chop it. So the most important thing is you chop it as tiny as possible so that you can get that slimy texture from okra. So this is me grinding it now. It's almost smooth. So once I finish blending rather, I'm just going on to add this spice to the boiling fish. It's totally optional if you don't want to use, but this is pepper soup spice. So I added it, and then I added iru. Iru is also known as locust beans. It gives the soup that local, African taste, aroma. My goodness, the smell from this thing is amazing. So I allow it to boil for a few minutes and then go on and add the blended okra. Yes, so you can see that this thing is very easy, fast. In less than 10 minutes you can make okra if you have all the ingredients, because it's vegetable and it doesn't require a lot of cooking time. Once you add the okra, stir it very well and cook for like 3-5 minutes so that you don't have to overcook the okra. You see me turning it, just give it a very quick stir and then allow it to cook. Combine everything together for like between 3-5 minutes and then it's ready. Absolutely delicious, very yummy. If you're going to try it out, or if you have other pattern which you cook your okra, let me know. But for this one, I'm not going to add oil because I don't like adding oil to my okra. But you can eat it with stew like the way I did mine, or you can eat it like that. And if you want to add oil to yours, it's totally optional, but this is a very healthy recipe. Let me know if you choose